India's biggest mid-cap fund is winning by investing in small caps. I am talking about HDFC Mid-Cap Fund. Its 5 years rolling return are better than index and the category average. And the man behind it, Chirag Setalvad, the person who has been managing this fund since its inception in 2007. And he is known for two things. One, his patience, and second, his expertise in picking the mid and small cap stocks. So let's understand how this strategy helps this fund to outperform. HDFC Mid-Cap Fund holds stocks for around 5 years on average, which is much higher than its peers. And to deliver better returns, they take a substantial exposure to small cap stocks. Even today, 20% of the fund's investment are in small cap stocks, while the category average is 15%. But does that mean more risk? Not really. So in quarters where mid-cap index fell by more than 5%, mostly HDFC mid-cap fell less. And a big reason for this is its solid risk management. Usually, Chirag prefers to not have more than 5% exposure to any single mid-cap stock or more than 3% exposure to any single small-cap stock. And there's one more thing. Only 30% of this fund stocks are same as benchmark, which is a clear sign of active stock selection. Today, HDFC Mid-Cap is India's biggest mid-cap with over 80,000 crore of AUM. Found this useful? Follow Power Up Money for all things mutual funds.